Copyright protection has become increasingly significant in the digital era due to the widespread availability of creative content online. The digital revolution has transformed how information is produced, distributed, and consumed, leading to new challenges in safeguarding intellectual property. While copyright laws provide strong protections for creators, the Fair Use Doctrine acts as a crucial limitation to prevent undue restrictions on the public's right to access and use copyrighted material for certain purposes. Copyright protection in the digital era. Copyright laws grant exclusive rights to creators over their original works, including literary, artistic, musical, and audiovisual content. In the digital age, copyright protection extends to online content, including websites, social media posts, digital books, streaming media, and software. The rapid dissemination of digital content has necessitated stronger enforcement mechanisms and technological solutions such as digital rights management, DRM. This includes encryption and access controls that prevent unauthorized reproduction and distribution. Copyright infringement detection tools. Automated systems like Content ID on YouTube scan uploaded content to identify copyrighted material. Legal frameworks and treaties. International treaties like the WIPO Copyright Treaty, WCT, and national laws such as India's Copyright Act, 1957, amended in 2012, provide legal structures for digital copyright protection. Takedown mechanisms. Under Section 79 of the IT Act, 2000, intermediaries, such as social media platforms, must remove infringing content when notified. Anti-piracy measures. Laws and policies combat online piracy through stricter penalties for unauthorized reproduction and distribution. Special reference to fair use defense. Despite legal safeguards, several challenges persist. Easy replication and distribution. Digital content can be copied and shared instantly. Anonymity of offenders. Many infringers operate anonymously, making enforcement difficult. Jurisdiction issues. The Internet's global nature complicates enforcement across borders. Balancing access with protection. Overly strict copyright laws may hinder creativity, education, and freedom of expression. Fair use defense. Balancing copyright and public interest. The Fair Use Doctrine is a crucial limitation on copyright protection that allows the use of copyrighted material under certain conditions without the owner's permission. It ensures that copyright does not stifle creativity, education, research, and criticism. While different countries interpret fair use differently, common factors used to determine fair use include purpose and character of use. Non-commercial, educational, or transformative uses, such as parody, commentary, and criticism, are more likely to qualify as fair use. Nature of the copyrighted work. Use of factual content, such as news reports, is more permissible than using creative works, such as novels or movies. Amount and substantiality of the work used. Using a small portion of a copyrighted work may be considered fair use, whereas copying a substantial part may not. Effect on the market value. If the use negatively impacts the original creator's market, it is less likely to be considered fair use. Application of fair use in the digital era. The Fair Use Doctrine is essential in the digital landscape, particularly in education. Teachers and students use copyrighted content for learning purposes. News reporting. Journalists rely on copyrighted materials for commentary and analysis. Social media and memes. Transformative content, such as memes and reaction videos, often falls under fair use. Parodies and criticism. Platforms like YouTube allow for the creation of parody content that critiques original works. Artificial intelligence and data mining. AI tools use copyrighted texts and images for research and development under fair use provisions. Fair use versus copyright infringement, landmark cases. Several cases highlight the role of fair use in the digital era. Sony Corp of America v. Universal City Studios, 1984 upheld the right to record TV programs for personal use. Authors Guild v. Google, 2015 allowed Google Books to scan and display book excerpts for research purposes. Carew v. Prince, 2013 recognized transformative use in artistic appropriation. Examples of copyright infringement in the digital era. Music piracy, unauthorized distribution of songs on torrent sites or illegal streaming platforms. Movie leaks, uploading copyrighted movies on public forums before their official release. Plagiarism in blogging, copying and republishing blog content without attribution. Software cracks, distributing hacked versions of paid software to bypass licensing restrictions. E-book scanning, digitizing and sharing copyrighted books without permission. Punishments for copyright infringement. Different jurisdictions impose various penalties for copyright infringement. In India, under the Copyright Act, 1957, the punishments include first-time offence, imprisonment of up to 3 years and a fine of up to 2 lakh rupees. Repeat offence, imprisonment of up to 5 years and a fine of up to 5 lakh rupees. Civil remedies, the copyright holder can seek injunctions, damages, and account of profits. Online infringement, platforms hosting pirated content can face penalties and takedown orders. Under IT Act, 2000, cybercriminals involved in digital copyright infringement can face imprisonment of up to 3 years and fines. Copyright protection in the digital era is essential for safeguarding creators' rights while ensuring that the public benefits from knowledge, creativity, and innovation. The fair use defense plays a crucial role in balancing these interests by permitting limited use of copyrighted material for education, research, criticism, and transformation. As digital technology evolves, laws must adapt to maintain this delicate balance between protecting intellectual property and promoting a free and open digital culture. The enforcement of stricter penalties and technological safeguards can help mitigate copyright violations, while fair use provisions ensure that copyright law does not unduly restrict public access to information and creative expression.